In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your generated photos from Gemini My Stuff List. If you've been using Gemini to create images, you've probably noticed those results show up in the My Stuff section. This is a handy place to find your recent creations, but sometimes you just want to clear out an image you no longer need. The key idea here is simple. To remove a generated photo from My Stuff, you delete the chat or item it came from. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in. Once you're in, look for the My Stuff area. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in the sidebar or in a menu, but it's usually easy to spot. Click My Stuff to view the list of things you've generated. Now find the photo you want to remove. Take a moment to be sure it's the right one. Generated items in My Stuff are tied to the chat where they were created, so you'll remove it by working with that chat. Click the picture to open it, which will also bring up the associated conversation or item view. With the photo and chat open, look for the three-dot menu, often called More Options. You'll typically see it near the top of the window or on the card for the item. Click the three dots to reveal the options. Choose Delete. Gemini will prompt you to confirm, since deleting a chat or item can't be undone. Read the confirmation carefully, then click to confirm the deletion. That's it. Deleting the chat or item removes the generated photo from your My Stuff list. To verify, go back to My Stuff and check that the image is no longer there. If it still appears for a moment, don't worry. Sometimes the list takes a second to refresh. You can reload the page or return to the My Stuff view again to see the update. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the three-dot menu, try hovering your mouse over the item on desktop or tapping into the item on mobile to reveal additional controls. If multiple images were created in the same conversation, deleting that chat may remove all items tied to it, so double-check you're removing the correct one. And remember, once you confirm deletion, it's permanent. To recap, open your Gemini account, go to My Stuff, click the picture you want to remove, open the three-dot menu, choose Delete, and confirm. Follow those steps and your generated photo will be cleared from My Stuff.